Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Santa Fe, you have engine light on and you have a code guys, any of the following codes such as code P0365 P0366 P0367 P0368 or P0369. Stay with us and we will explain what most likely causes these codes guys and how to fix it. It could be guys three things that we usually see, so we're going to talk about that, the three most common ones that we see here at the shop. So the engine is out of the vehicle, because we'll be doing multiple videos on that engine. We'll be taking it completely apart, but you don't need to remove your engine guys to fix that problem, and we'll explain what you need to do. So this should work on Hyundai Santa Fe generation 2013 all the way to year 2016 guys, with a 2.4 GDI engine. Now let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix practically anything guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. This engine, okay, will be completely taken apart. Transmission will show you how to fix almost anything on it. Another thing, if you need to buy any parts or tools guys, okay, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our supplies from. So this right here, okay, this is the engine. And before we start, let me tell you guys, if you have a Hyundai with a 2.4 GDI engine or other cars, check our main channel Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So specifically guys, okay, you can see this is a 2.4 GDI engine out of a 2013 Hyundai vehicle. So looking at it guys, okay, before we start, let me tell you guys, many of you constantly ask me what computer we recommend for diagnostics. This is the one guys right here that we use every day. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. You can see Hyundai is here, but it supports almost any car you can think of, and that computer can pay itself off in one-time use. So if you're on the market for one, check out guys the link in the description of the video below and you can see what it supports and how powerful that tool is. So what you need to do when you get any of these codes, they relate to exhaust camshaft position sensor. How you're going to find where the exhaust camshaft position sensor is located? Remove the upper engine cover, just grab and pull it guys. It has 4 bushings that attach to these posts right here. This is your valve cover here, cylinder head, intake manifold on this side, exhaust manifold on that side. What we are looking for guys, okay, we need to find the exhaust side of the engine, this side. So that camshaft under the valve cover here will be the exhaust camshaft, and if you look at it right here guys, okay, that device right here, this is known as exhaust camshaft position sensor. So let me come on this side first. I want to show you something, things to look for. If you guys have any of these codes, what it could be guys, a broken or melted wire because it's too close to the exhaust. That could happen, okay, or sometimes rodent mice during the winter months, they try to find a warm place. So rats, we've seen where they chew the wires guys, so we've seen that happen a few times so far. Make sure the wire is connected all the way. Make sure you don't have a leaking valve cover and to leak oil in the sensor, because this one has a little bit of oil leak. Check it out. And that can easily guys trigger these codes, because the communication between the sensor and the wiring harness will not be accurate. So check wires, check connector, clean, replug. If that's not fixing the problem, remove the sensor and clean it. Now, dirty sensor sometimes can affect its reading. What we'll recommend guys, clean it and see if that fixes the problem. And if you want to see if electrically, okay, that sensor is working fine, we have a special video that explains how to do that, and you can find it on our main YouTube channel, How to Repair guys. It will teach you how to test camshaft position sensor on a Hyundai vehicle. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Thank you for watching and see you next time.